Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make mousse lipstick using an easy method. We will walk through gathering just a few simple ingredients and tools you might already have at home. You'll learn how to combine them to create a beautiful, velvety lipstick with a delightful texture. Get ready to unleash your creativity and craft your very own custom lip colors in no time. To begin, you'll need just a few key ingredients. Grab 1 teaspoon of beeswax pellets, 1 teaspoon of nourishing shea butter, and 1 teaspoon of a light oil like coconut or almond oil. For color, select about 1/2 to 1 full teaspoon of cosmetic-grade mica powder or a natural pigment like beetroot powder. You'll also need a heat-safe bowl, a stirring utensil, and small, clean lipstick containers. First, combine your beeswax, shea butter, and liquid oil in a heat-safe bowl. Gently melt these ingredients using a double boiler method over low heat. Stir continuously until everything is fully melted and forms a clear, smooth liquid. Once melted, remove the bowl from the heat. Now, slowly incorporate your chosen colorant, mixing it in completely until the color is uniform and vibrant throughout the base. To achieve that lovely mousse texture, consider adding a tiny pinch, about 1/8 teaspoon, of bentonite clay or a bit more mica powder. Stir the mixture vigorously for about 30 seconds to incorporate some air, making it lighter and more whipped. Then, carefully pour the warm liquid into your prepared lipstick tubes or small pots. Let them cool and harden completely for at least 2 to 3 hours before enjoying your beautiful, homemade mousse lipstick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.